Hey guys, today I am telling you some basic English phrases that you use in your daily life. Let's start. It's nothing like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's nothing like that. Like that. बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. Don't be scared. घबराओ नहीं. डरो मत. Don't be scared. I am with you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am with you. Be polite. नरमी से पेश आओ. Be polite. Now how is your mother? अब तुम्हारी अम्मी कैसी है? Now how is your mother? अब तुम्हारी अम्मी कैसी हैं? Sounds great. अच्छा लग रहा है. Sounds great. I am not kidding. मैं कोई मजाक नहीं कर रहा. I am not kidding. Please don't bother me. मेहरबानी करो मुझे परेशान ना करो. Please don't bother me. You look worried. आप परेशान लग रहे हैं. You look worried. I was lost somewhere. मैं कहीं खो गया था. I was lost somewhere. Are you tired? क्या आप थके हुए हैं? Are you tired? None of them. इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. None of them. इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. Are you upset? क्या आप परेशान हैं? Are you upset? Get ready. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. I will try my best. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my best. Did you mind? क्या तुम्हें बुरा लगा? Did you mind? That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.